Hey guys, what's going on? It's Emily from Living Plantfully here with a What I Ate in a Day pregnancy edition. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So first of all, for breakfast, I went ahead and made myself some banana bread, and this banana bread is gluten-free and super healthy and really delicious. So in a large bowl, I went ahead and added in some oat flour, which I just made by pulsing some rolled oats in my magic bullet till I got some flour. So then to that, I went ahead and added some baking soda, baking powder, and then I added some whole oats as well, some salt, and went ahead and mixed up all of the dry ingredients. Go ahead and set that aside. So in another large bowl, I went ahead and mashed up 2 large, very ripe bananas. I'm pretty sure that you can maybe do like 3 medium ones or 3 small ones, but these were pretty big, so I just went ahead and used 2 of them. Then with the back of my fork, I went ahead and mashed these up really, really well until they were like a nice runny consistency. To my mashed bananas, I went ahead and added some almond butter, which you could also do peanut butter or cashew butter, whatever you would like. Then I added some coconut sugar, some apple cider vinegar, as well as some vanilla extract, and some flax eggs, which will all be in the description down below. I'll have the list of ingredients, and if you don't know how to make a flax egg, it'll be down there in the description box as well. So then I just tossed around all of these wet ingredients together, and I just went ahead and like kind of mashed down the almond butter just to make sure there was no clumps of that. So then I added the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients, kind of like in batches, just to make sure that everything got really, really well incorporated. So once you have kind of like this batter consistency, then you just want to put that into a bread pan, and I just lightly oiled mine with some coconut oil. Went ahead and smoothed the top of it as best as I could. I went ahead and baked this at 350 for about an hour. Just want to take it out once you can insert a toothpick and it comes out dry, and it should be nice and golden on top, just like this. I went ahead and sliced myself a couple of slices once it was nice and cool. I had to top it with some vegan butter. Like, I can't have banana bread unless it has vegan butter on it. And then I just had a side of some vegan yogurt with some fresh fruit, coconut flakes, and chia seeds. And that was breakfast. So then moving on for lunch, I made myself what I've been making myself a lot during my pregnancy, and that is a sushi bowl. It's super quick and super easy, and literally my favorite thing to have for lunch. So let's go ahead and start by making the tofu. In a small skillet, I added some sesame oil and then some extra firm tofu that I diced up. Then I just drizzled that with a little bit of some soy sauce. Once those got crispy on one side, I went ahead and flipped them over, let them cook a little longer. And then once both sides of my tofu cubes were nice and golden like this, then I set them aside. So let's make our bowl. Of course, you need some sushi rice, which I always season with rice wine vinegar. And then I top it with my tofu, some shredded carrots, some shredded cucumber, some creamy avocado slices, some nori sheets, and you can't forget the vegan sriracha mayo, which is super easy. It's just sriracha and vegan mayonnaise. Then I added some kimchi. Oh my gosh, I was so happy to find this vegan kimchi. I've been obsessed with it. Then I topped that with some black sesame seeds, and there was my super easy, quick, fresh, delicious lunch. So moving on to dinner, I wanted to make something also light and fresh, so I made my ceviche and yuca dish. And I just basically bought this bag of yuca and I cooked it the way that it said on the instructions. My mom uses this all the time. So while that cooked, I made my ceviche, which was just some sliced bell pepper, diced tomatoes, and some diced cucumbers. And you can definitely add some sliced red onions to this as well. I just can't really tolerate them right now during my pregnancy. Then I added a bunch of freshly squeezed lime juice. This is what makes the ceviche just so good. So then I just tossed that around. Of course, you gotta season it, so I seasoned that with some salt and pepper. Gave it another toss. And then I just chopped up some fresh cilantro, added that into my ceviche, and gave that another toss. You want to make sure that you do have like some liquid like this. That's why I said a lot of lime juice. Then you want to finish it off by adding some olive oil. Give it another toss and our ceviche is ready. Then I just plated that up with these vegan fishless sticks. They're so good. I just pop them into my toaster oven until they're nice and crispy. And yeah, guys, that was dinner. Super easy. I love this dish. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this day of eating during my pregnancy. If you did, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, make sure that you're clicking that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys very soon.